Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. That happy state because they have found a great interest in living their own lives to the full and not paying too much attention to other people's actions. Stop. They have got up each day ready to overcome any difficulties that may face them and willing to meet any demands that life may make upon them. Stop. When times have been bad, they have not lost hope. When times have been good, they have not lost their heads, but have remembered that the years in front of them might not always be so good. Stop. They have given of their best in their daily lives, and in return they have found success. Stanza. It is not everyone, however, who can find working life so satisfactory in itself. Stop. It is not everyone who can find work that meets all the needs of the mind. Stop. Such people demand pleasures beyond those of labor, and they try to find an interest in life in other directions. Stop. But the directions are so many that it is not easy to know in which direction to look. Stop. Happily, we do not as a rule have to look far, for we seem to have natural interests. Stop. It seems to come quite naturally to us to sort out our feelings, and from the great number of possible fields of interest we find forces pulling us this way or that. Stanza. The interests of some people change considerably with the passing of the years. Other people seem to hold an interest in the same kind of things throughout their whole lives. Stop. Some people, for example, have a lifelong interest in getting together set of books, particularly copies of the first publication of a book. Stop. Others like to buy pictures, and they always hope that one day they will have the pleasure of buying an old picture very cheaply, only to be told afterwards by the experts that it is a true old master and is worth many thousands of pounds. Stop. Such finds were certainly possible in times past, but it is doubtful whether in these days there are many old masters which have been put away and which no one has afterwards remembered, so that they are now just waiting for the day when an expert will discover their true worth. Stop. Too many people have for too long been finding an interest in the buying and selling of pictures to make it possible for such an event to happen often. Stop. Still people go on hoping, and quite rightly so. Stop. With books there may be the same hope. One day a person may have the happiness of buying an old second-hand book for a few pennies, only to discover afterwards that it is a very valuable book indeed, and would get a high price if offered for sale. Stop. Stanza. There are people who have a deep interest in show business of all kinds, serious or otherwise. Stop. Some people find their interest full stop over.